Commanders, ngithi akhe ngilahlele nje nami kule nkulumo, but I don't want to be dwelling on the on discussing the people. Ngikhula ke mina kuthiwa kune adage ethi small minds discuss people, great minds discuss ideas. And I believe in that. We should focus on the bigger picture. The bigger picture here is the vision. At the same time as we're focusing on the bigger picture, which is the vision as to how we get there, we should also be mindful of how the enemy operates. Let me break it down. The enemy, which we know is colonization, apartheid, slavery, and the three triplets. It eliminates itself because it cannot operate on its own. It eliminates itself within the body of a human being because it cannot function on its own. Now, that is speaking spiritually. On the physical level, this is where you get the infiltration, the plants, the people that are planted to become agents within the organization. They do that, of course, we know that the mandate comes from the master. The modus operandi has always and is still being identifying the people that are influential within the camp of the opposition. In this case, the opposition being us, Umkhonto Wesizwe, who are driving the vision. Ephathiswe ubaba ukuthi ayikhokele yokuthi kukhululeke isizwe indlu emnyama. Now, the plans, umsebenzi wazo kuku-identify the resourceful people, the influential people, the foot soldiers, amadela kufa, osiququqo, abantu abasebenzayo besebenzela ukuthi le vision yokuhlanganisa indlu emnyama together ukuthi ikhulume ngazwinye i-acte fighting alongside one another towards the realization of total liberation. Abantu abangasabi ukusebenza. Those people are identified by the enemy agents throughout. And then once they are identified, that is the modus operandi. Enemy. Once they are identified, ngexesha ekulona, like the election season, which we are in right now, kuqala kuvele istory, kuvele izinto ezingekho nje ezithetha izinto ezingekho nhle ngaba bantu kanye ba-identifyiwe ukuthi abantu abasebenzayo apha nguPhumla, nguKhaya, nguSibanibani, nguTawu, ngubani, kuthethwa izinto ngabo, kuplantwa izinto, they manufacture, they fabricate, they do all sorts of things. Exactly, we should learn. Exactly what they have done with our leader, uPresident Jacob Zuma, from time immemorial, bethetha izinto ngayo. La ezinto zokuthi bamdrekele ecourt, bamtyabeka amatyala athi sewachithiwe nayinkantolo by so many judges, which the enemy has ultimately silenced those judges by killing them. Let me rather put it bluntly like that. Killed those judges. Uma sezikhupha isinqumo. So ukuthi, no, this thing is politically motivated. There are no charges here. There is no case here. There is nothing here. Iphinde ibuyiselwe kube nomthetho ongomnye nje when it comes to uZuma, uPresident Zuma. That is their modus operandi. They would make a case, they would press charges against you, they would say things against you. Wena ke mntu o-identifyiweyo as one of the people abasebenzayo, abanqininizayo, esedecide ukuthi xa singasusa ubani nobani nobani, izawusilela lo mkhondo wesizwe. Akuzuhambela ndawo. Izawusilela i-region ethizeni, izawusilela i-province ethizeni. It's one of the tricks and strategies of derailing and delaying the realization of the vision. The main vision is the total liberation yethu sizwe esintsundu. So we should not be blind and to tricks and the modus operandi and the same thing, tricks and trends and everything. So ukuthi i-enemy isebenza kanjani na uma ihlakaza ngenhloso yokuthi ayifuni ukuthi sifikelele lapho kumele sifikelele khona. Bafuna ukuthi sihlale sila enhluphekweni, siyindlu emnyama, sihlale sisilwa sodwa. They use and recycle same old tricks. It's no different even now from uTau. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoTau waseTshwane. It's no different from uTau. It's no different from uPhumla. It's no different from uKhaya. It's no different from uDuduzile. It's no different from uNhlamulo. And all the other commanders and comrades abasebetyabekiwe, that we know umsebenzi wabo. So let us not be blind to it tricks the enemy, because right now the enemy is not only ANC, the enemy is all those politicians ekuvela izinto ngazo ezingezo politicians ezilwa for inkululeko yomuntu omnyama, but balwela izisu zabo, banamatyala, benze izinto ezimangalisayo. And they've gathered together, regardless ukuthi baku EFF, baku ANC, baku DA, bayinto eyi-one, ekugqibeleni bayahlangana bakhuluma into eyi-one phambi kwabantu. They pretend as if they are in opposition. They pretend as if bayalwa against each other, whereas badida thina, badida kwabona because bayindlu emnyama. Well, they've got their reasons, because once an agent, always an agent. So asingavaleki amehlo, asingadideki bakithi. Whatever uTau ayenzile, accuswa ukuthi uyenzile, and the threats and everything, it should be clear to all ukuthi akukho lokho. But ngoku the enemy is focusing on derailing umkhonto wesizwe, ukuthi lamntu bambonayo kulaTshwane ukuthi he's influential, Uyayazi Tshwane like the palm of his hand, back and front, and une-influence and akonqeni ukuya egroundini, and iTshwane ibihlakazekile ingahlangananga before uTawu ejoyina umkhonto wesizwe. Now that kuyiwa kuma-elections uyi-threat la Abel Tawu kubona. I hope ngikhuluma ngegama eli-right manje. Let me just say uTawu uyi-threat kubona. Uyi-threat kuwo wonke lama-political organizations that are contesting for umasipala waseTshwane. Now they will come up, as they already have, with these shenanigans. Nangeyiphi indlela njengoba sebebonisile nje sanukuvumela lokho. Vincani amazibuko, vincani amazibuko. Don't be happy into ba ay uTawu uhambile then it means nami ngizafumana i-opportunity yoba. Anditsho ba kunjalo, but those are the weaknesses zabantu abangenayo i-vision, abanga-focus on what needs to be done, on what needs to happen. Ini kahle kahle inhloso into zama-local government elections zizinto eziphakathi nendawo, but the main focus, final i-finishing line ukuthi kukhululeke indlu emnyama engcindezelweni ena more than 400 years. Sisentluphekweni, sisentshutshisweni, sisebugxwayibeni, siyindlu emnyama, asinamhlaba. So don't focus on indaba ukuthi uTawu uhambile. It's -1 competition. You can't be competing, you can't be focusing on indaba yokuthi uzawufumana indawo uba ube yikhansila okanye ube yimeya. You are helping the enemy. Which enemy? Which is a colonization. Akhe sibe namehlo wokhozi bakithi. Akhe sibe namehlo wokhozi, sicabangele isizwe. Be nation builders. Uma sisithi umkhonto wesizwe is not a political party, it's a liberation movement. Sihlose konke lokho kwe-vision ukuthi yonke into eyenzakalayo kumkhonto wesizwe in the process, it should be focused or centered around the realization of the main vision, a total liberation. Liberation and freedom are two different things, and the liberation is not about the political positions, whether zikumasipala okanye zikuprovince okanye zikunational. It's not about the 400 positions. It's about the entire nation of more than 54 million people that must be liberated. We can't be focusing on the 400 MP positions. We can't be focusing on, say, 100 seats zakwamasipala when we've got a population of more than 54 million people just in the country ezisebugxwayibeni. It's easy ke for umuntu ongakhange okhe abuilde anything ukubhidlisa. Ukubuilda, it takes sacrifice. Those people that we recruited, the more than 18 million that we recruited, it has not been easy. So even if as a person you have recruited one person, It's not an easy thing ukurecruiter even one person, and therefore it must not be a by the way thing into yoba kube khona umntu oyi-one oluziweyo ohambayo, nakhona engahambi ngokuthi udicide yi-decision azithathele yona voluntarily kukuthi uphoqwa isimo. It should not be like that. That is where ubuntu comes in. That is where humanity comes in. That is where ubunye, unity comes in. You can't be celebrating or making it a by the way thing indaba yokuthi kuluzwe one person. Ayinabuthixo loo nto leyo. Izwi likaBawo liyasichazela ukuthi emazulwini kuyacelebrethwa every day, every minute, every second, just for one soul oguqukileyo walandela ubuthixo, kuyacelebrethwa. And key also amongst the values, the foundation yomkhondo wesizwe are godly principles. Not Satanism, not Illuminati, not all of these things. The philosophies zasemhlabeni are godly principles, because we realize and we acknowledge the importance of putting God first in everything that we do. And knowing ukuthi abantu are the creation of God himself. And if you don't have godly principles and living the values zikaNkulunkulu esidaliweyo nguyena, you will not appreciate indalo kaNkulunkulu engumuntu. Hence you find these tendencies ezibuya kwezinhlangano zobusathana zoba uhambile, let those that are living, let them live. It cannot be like that. It can't be. We can't allow that. Not if sishushumbisa le vision ephathiswe umkhonto wesizwe kwathiwa mawukhokelwe nguPresident Jacob Zuma, ngumnikazi wendalo. We can't be celebrating for ukuhamba komuntu entlanganweni. The loss of one person is one loss too much. Kukubhidliza lokho. Kukubhidliza lokho. Abaziqaphele ke abantu izinto abazenzayo nabazikhulumayo. The enemy will not always come ikhokelise isibhamu ngaphambili okanye isikhali ngaphambili. It comes in all sorts of manners and things, because i-enemy indlela esebenza ngayo yi-deception and lies and manipulation. Ngiyanicela bantu bakaNkulunkulu, focus and niyekele umona, because those are evil spirits. Niyekele umona nokubhidliza nokukhokelisa i-selfish interests. So umuntu ubheka ukuthi hayi uma yambile utawu, then it means I have a better opportunity or a better chance yokuthi ndingastanda ke ngoku as i-leader yeTshwane region or as i-mayoral candidate. We are not about positions. If uNkulunkulu akwazi ukuthi You are not ready for that position. You are not ready. You are not ready. Don't force your way through. Kodwa if ujoyina umkhonto wesizwe, lahla yonke enye into umcabango wakho, ukhe uzinike izichansi yofunda lo mkhonto wesizwe ukuthi ungantoni na, ungathi hayi mina ngiyazazi izinto ngizijwayele ngiqhelile ipolitiki. When you are building a new organization which is umkhonto wesizwe, you don't come uzoclaima into zoba, now I'm talking in general, uzoclaima izinto zoba wena une-experience kwipolitiki. Akho mntu one-experience in a new organization engumkhonto wesizwe. Akho mntu one-experience because le vision akuyona yethu, nathi sithunyiwe yona. Umuntu oyaziyo le nto ngumnikazi wale vision, umdali wento zonke. Ngiyanxusa sizwe, ngiyanxusa bakithi, ngiyanxusa. Akhe nihloniphe le nto enkulu kangaka enibizelwe kuyona. Nihloniphe umsunguli wayo, nihloniphe nalo mntu ambeke phambi kwenu uba makayikhokele le vision, anikhuphe kule Babylonian system ekuyona. Ningazigwagwisi ukuthi niqhela ukwenza izinto, niyazazi izinto. This is bigger than anything that anybody has ever seen or can ever claim to know. Let us not derail the liberation of the black child. Ngiyanxusa, ngiyanxusa, ngiyanicela, ngiyantomboza. I appeal to you, I appeal to your consciences for the love of God, for the love of the nation that we are, for the love of humanity, unlearn the political tendencies that have not brought anything to this nation but division. Salute.